Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking ewu. Ewu is one of the local food in Enugu. I don't know if I pronounce it very well. Ewu. So my husband, my mother-in-law gave my husband this when he went to Nigeria. So a couple of weeks ago, my husband prepared this food because I don't know how to prepare it, but I don't like the taste. I think he added okpei on it. I don't like it. So today I said I'm going to be preparing this meal my own way. So the first thing I did was to put it in a bowl and add hot water on it. My husband was telling me this is not how they prepare it. They don't soak it in hot water when they are preparing. I say it's not my business, but the most important thing is at the end of the day that this food tastes nice. So whichever way I prepare it, make it sweet, and be my own sha. It say no be so they do, and they need to put am for hot water. You need to do am like abacha. I say me, I wan do my own like abacha, but I know say the thing go taste nice anyway. He no gree. We just did dey argue the thing and I was doing it. So next, I added oil in the pot. He said they don't prepare this food on top of the stove. So I add my onions and I add all the ingredients that is needed to make this ewu taste nice. So if you're from Enugu watching this video, let me know in the comment section if I got it right, or you have a video on how to prepare this meal, or maybe in the comment section you can give me step by step on how to prepare it. I would really appreciate it. So guys, next I come dey add maggi o, I come dey stir the thing, dey stir the. Then my husband dey for corner say you are not getting it o. The way you are doing this thing is not how we do it. I say don't worry. At the end of the day, may it just taste nice. That is the most important thing, not how you prepare it. So he say okay oh, him go see how the thing go dey. Dat me I don already soak the ewu for hot water. It's going to get spoiled inside hot water. I say no worry, calm down, calm down. So guys, as you can see, I added crayfish on it. I stir it a bit. So I'm just going to stir it for 1 minute plus, and then I'm going to be adding the ewu inside the pot and then mix it up together nicely. So this is the ewu I am adding. My husband was complaining that because I soaked it in hot water that it's going to get spoiled, that they don't soak it in hot water. But nothing happened to it because it's the same thing like abacha. That's how I see it. It's cassava, cassava. The difference is that this one is being sliced bigger than the normal abacha we eat anyway. So I'm just going to mix it up nicely, and then that is it. Let me know where you're watching this video from, more especially from if you're from Enugu. Please let me know in the comment section if I really get this thing nicely, or there's a way you guys prepare it, because it's a local dish. I don't know how to really prepare it, and I'm not from Enugu. I'm from Anambra State. So guys, this is how it looks. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please give me thumbs up, leave good comment and share. And if you're seeing this video for the first time, you like my video, please subscribe and let's become friends, okay? So guys, I'm going to take this to him now for him to test. Remember, say my husband say no one sees his face for my social media platform, so I'm going to cover his face for him to test this food there. And I'm going to leave the background sound. You can hear the sound. He's watching Nigerian news. He like Nigerian news. And my daughter Oju is all over him making noise. All right, guys, see you all on my next one.